Hello, let's cook some dagaa or omena as most of us call it. The first thing I'm going to do is to add cooking oil, a good amount of cooking oil in a hot cooking pan with garlic and some red onion. I'm going to stir this for 2 minutes, then I will introduce my dagaa into the pot. I'm going to stir this and cook it until everything turns into golden brown, including my omena. Yes, make sure you add a good amount of oil for this result to be achievable. After this, I'm going to add some tomatoes, some green bell pepper, some tomato paste, and then I'm going to mix this well. Let it cook for at least 5 minutes. Then I'll add some salt and some lemon juice. At this point, my dagaa is ready. But me, I don't have limit into cooking. So I'm going to add some cooking cream in my dagaa. It's optional. If you don't want, you can start serving your dagaa. So I'll add some cooking cream. I'm going to mix this well and then I'll let it simmer. And at this point, I think my omena is ready. It was yummy.